Have you ever wondered how a simple green vegetable can completely transform your daily energy, improve your physical and mental performance, and also protect your heart naturally? Many people underestimate spinach, thinking it's just another leafy green for salads or side dishes. But this food is actually a true superfood, packed with essential nutrients that the human body needs to function at its best. Throughout this text, you will discover how spinach works in the body, the benefits it provides, how to include it in your diet, and some fascinating facts about its history and properties. Spinach, scientifically known as Spinacia oleracea, originated in the Middle East and has been cultivated for thousands of years, appreciated by many civilizations throughout history from the Persians to Europeans. Today, it is widely consumed worldwide, valued not only for its versatile taste, but also for its impressive nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, spinach is considered a functional food capable of offering health benefits that go far beyond basic nutrition. One of spinach's most significant benefits is its ability to naturally increase energy. Unlike industrial energy drinks that cause spikes and drops in blood sugar, spinach releases energy gradually, thanks to its combination of complex carbohydrates and low glycemic index. This means it provides sustained energy without causing sudden fatigue. Additionally, the iron in spinach plays a crucial role in producing hemoglobin, the protein responsible for transporting oxygen in the blood. The more efficient this transport, the more energy the body has for daily activities and physical exercises. Beyond boosting energy, spinach is a powerful ally for heart health. Scientific studies indicate that regular consumption of this leafy green helps lower blood pressure, improves vascular elasticity, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. These effects are related to the presence of natural nitrates in spinach, which promote blood vessel dilation and better blood flow. Continuous spinach consumption is also associated with reducing atherosclerotic plaque, preventing severe issues such as heart attacks and strokes. Spinach is rich in essential vitamins for optimal body function. It contains vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin A, which strengthens the immune system and supports eye health. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that also aids in iron absorption. And B-complex vitamins, which are vital for energy metabolism and neurotransmitter production. Each of these vitamins contributes to a different aspect of health, making spinach a true natural pharmacy. The minerals in spinach cannot be underestimated. Magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and manganese are among the most abundant in this vegetable. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and heart function. Potassium regulates blood pressure, calcium strengthens bones and teeth, and zinc and manganese play vital roles in immune function and cellular metabolism. When consumed regularly, spinach provides a solid foundation for optimal body performance. Including spinach in your daily diet may seem challenging, but in practice, it is simple and versatile. It can be eaten raw in salads, in green juices, lightly added to soups, omelets, pasta, or even smoothies. It is important not to overcook spinach, as excessive heat can destroy some heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C. To increase the absorption of antioxidants and carotenoids, it is recommended to pair spinach with healthy fat sources, such as olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Spinach also contains bioactive compounds with anti-inflammatory properties and potential anti-cancer effects. Carotenoids, flavonoids, and phenolic acids in the leaves help protect body cells from oxidative damage and inflammation, reducing the risk of various chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer. This antioxidant effect makes spinach an important ally in promoting health and preventing long-term illnesses. Interestingly, spinach is often associated with muscular strength due to the famous Popeye character. While this is a cultural exaggeration, there is some truth to it. The nutrients in spinach, such as iron and nitrates, support muscle health and energy production, benefiting those looking to improve physical performance and maintain an active body. Additionally, spinach is a low-calorie food, making it ideal for weight management diets. It provides a large amount of essential nutrients without adding many calories to your meals. This means you can consume generous portions of spinach without compromising your daily caloric intake, gaining all the benefits of its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The benefits of spinach go beyond the body and mind. It also supports skin and hair health. Vitamin A and antioxidants in the leaves help maintain healthy skin, prevent premature aging, and promote cell regeneration. Minerals such as zinc contribute to hair strength and growth, making spinach a true ally for natural beauty. To reap all these benefits, it is essential to consume spinach regularly and in a variety of ways. Incorporating small portions in different meals throughout the day ensures the body consistently receives the nutrients it needs. A balanced diet with varied nutrient-rich foods amplifies spinach's positive effects, promoting health, energy, and well-being. Besides fresh leaves, frozen spinach is also a good option, preserving most of its nutritional properties. This convenient alternative allows you to access this superfood even outside of its peak season. When choosing frozen products, prefer those without preservatives or artificial additives. Spinach consumption is also linked to eye health. Carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin protect the retina from macular degeneration and cataracts, common age-related conditions. Therefore, including spinach in the diet not only increases energy and protects the heart but also preserves vision, preventing eye problems over time. Another noteworthy benefit is spinach's ability to help regulate blood pressure, thanks to its natural nitrates and potassium. These compounds help relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing stress on the heart. This protective effect is essential for preventing cardiovascular diseases, especially in people with a family history or risk factors. For children and teenagers, spinach is an excellent option to ensure healthy growth and optimal academic performance. Its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants support physical and cognitive development, strengthen immunity, and enhance focus and learning capacity. Introducing spinach early in life helps cultivate healthy eating habits that can last a lifetime. Spinach also plays a key role in digestive health. Its fibers help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a balanced gut microbiota. Efficient digestion not only improves daily well-being but also optimizes nutrient absorption, ensuring the body fully benefits from all foods consumed. Moreover, spinach can help reduce inflammation in the body. Bioactive compounds in the leaves combat free radicals and reduce inflammatory processes, which is essential for preventing chronic conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. An anti-inflammatory diet that includes spinach contributes to a healthier and more active life. Finally, spinach is an accessible food, easy to find in markets, grocery stores, and home gardens. It combines taste, versatility, and an impressive range of health benefits, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their quality of life. Whether raw, in juices, or soups, spinach can be creatively incorporated into various recipes, ensuring your diet is nutritious, tasty, and effective. In summary, spinach is a complete superfood capable of naturally boosting energy, protecting the heart, strengthening the brain, improving digestion, supporting skin and hair health, aiding weight management, preventing chronic diseases, and even preserving vision. Incorporating it into your daily diet is an investment in health and well-being, promoting quality of life, longevity, and vitality. If you want to transform your energy, protect your heart, and live with more vitality, there is no better choice than spinach. Start including this vegetable in your meals today and experience all the benefits it has to offer. The power of spinach goes far beyond the plate, positively impacting every system in your body and ensuring a healthier, balanced, and energized life. By regularly consuming spinach, you not only provide essential nutrients to your body, but also adopt a proactive approach to long-term health. Its combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber makes it one of the most complete vegetables available. Whether for mental clarity, physical stamina, cardiovascular health, or overall wellness, spinach is a simple yet incredibly effective way to improve your life naturally. Spinach can also be paired with a variety of other superfoods for enhanced effects. Combining it with tomatoes, peppers, garlic, or healthy oils increases the bioavailability of antioxidants and supports heart and brain health. Smoothies made with spinach, fruits, and seeds are another excellent way to integrate this superfood into your diet, providing energy, hydration, and nutrients in one delicious drink. For adults, spinach is particularly beneficial in preventing age-related conditions. Its antioxidants combat oxidative stress, slowing down cellular aging and helping maintain vitality longer. Coupled with its cardiovascular benefits and support for bone and eye health, spinach becomes a cornerstone of a longevity-focused diet. Pregnant women can also benefit from spinach, as it supplies essential nutrients such as folate, iron, and calcium, supporting both maternal health and fetal development. The fiber in spinach aids digestion, while the variety of vitamins and minerals helps prevent deficiencies during pregnancy. Incorporating spinach into family meals is simple and creative. From omelets, pasta, and soups to salads and sandwiches, there are countless ways to enjoy its benefits without monotony. Its mild taste allows it to blend well with many dishes, ensuring that everyone from children to adults can reap its advantages.